Welcome to Tony Clown Sunday School class. It's good to have you today. Yeah. Now we continue our series Bible lesson from the World Cup. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the previous episode that we've had so far. I believe you do. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about training. What did I call it? Training. Tony Clown, what did you want to teach us about training and the Bible? Okay, before I say anything further, let us open the scriptures. So we're going to read from 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 8. 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 8. And I want you to listen to me very, very carefully because it is well explanatory. Bodily exercise is all right, but spiritual exercise is much more important and is a tonic for all you do. So, exercise yourself spiritually and practice being a better Christian, because that will help you not only now in this life, but in the next life too. Before the World Cup, players spend months and years training for this World Cup tournament. They trained how to pass, how to shoot, how to keep, how to do dribbling, how to do a lot of things. In fact, some of them made their bodies very, very strong by carrying everything. Even the most talented players like Messi or C. Ronaldo or even Declan Rice, they cannot succeed except they put themselves into real training. Because any player who refuses to train will struggle on match day. According to where we just read, you see that becoming more like Jesus Christ does not happen automatically. You have to train to become more like Jesus Christ. Just as a footballer need to train really, really hard to play well, so also you as a child of God, you need to train really, really hard to become like Jesus Christ. And how do you train to become like Jesus Christ? Now I'm going to show you 3 lessons that we can learn from training. Yes, the training that the World Cup players do. 3 lessons we can learn from them. Number 1, players do not wait till the World Cup final before they start practicing. In the same way, you as a child of God should seek God every day. When I mean seek God every day, it means study your Bible and pray every day. Don't wait till the day you have problem or the day you need to hear God really, really hard before you start training. Start it now. Start it today. As from today that you're watching this, I want you to start praying and reading your Bible every day. Don't wait till you get into one problem before you start calling on God. Number 2 thing is that training can be really, really hard. I must tell you the truth. Players wake up early every day and they run. They even carry heavy dumbbells. Just as footballers will wake up early, you as a child of God, you need to wake up really, really early too. Wake up even before your parents wake up. Carry your Bible, study it, read your Bible, and as you are reading it, pray, telling God that He should help you to understand what you just read from the Bible. That is how to train as a child of God. And the 3rd thing is the fact that players listen to their coaches. Yes. So, you as a child of God, you need to listen to your coaches. And who are your coach? Your parents? Yes. Your pastors? Your teacher? I think Tony Clown too is your coach. So, you need to listen to me. And when you listen to us, you become better at living the life that God has called you to live. Thank you for watching today's episode of Tony Clown Sunday School Class. I believe you enjoy it. So now what I want you to do for me is type what you learned from today's Sunday School class and share this lesson with one or two of your friends so that they can learn. And also, I want you to watch this Sunday School class here. Yes, watch it. It will teach you how to train yourself even more so that you can be like Jesus Christ. Now it's time to say bye, bye. Say bye, 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 bye.